Hello DIY Del channel. We're taste testing another thing called dates, specifically Nature's Love dates, where I don't have much experience with dates. I just know they're a fruit. I don't even know what they taste like, but Del, do you have any experience with dates at all?
I sure have. I've seen Indiana Jones. Seen them all. And there's that one movie with that little monkey, that nice little monkey ate that date, and then before you know it, he's gone. Dates.
Yeah, I'm down to give this a try.
Is it like a big raisin?
Yeah, they just taste like raisins to me.
Okay.
Nothing special. Like, I'd rather just buy a box of raisins and just like dump it in my mouth. Not really go through the trouble of getting these.
It's pretty big.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
You tried it?
Well, I'm thinking that these could have other uses, like for throwing it at your director and your animator.
They're hard.
No, they're soft.
Del, you should eat it.
Just like Svengoolie gets everything thrown at him. This is a reverse direction thing. Dates. Got one, thank you. Wonder if I could crack it open to see what's inside there.
It's just like a seed in it.
That's what it looks like cracked open.
We can try that small piece there.
Alright, this is the seed right here. It's pretty, it's like a pill size.
Dare to swallow it. Just try a little bit. Yeah, I mean.
I think I'm allergic and I'm gonna sneeze.
Yeah. Okay. Bad dates. Bad dates.
I don't know. Here, here's some
I
medicine.
got a cold.
Okay. Alright. As you can see, one of us two like the dates. I mean, they're not bad. I'd rather just get a box. I'd rather just get a box of raisins and buy these, but these aren't that bad. If you have the money and have the time to eat them, just go for it. But yeah, see you guys next time.